Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to view the cancel date on job transportation details in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the My Reports module. Here, we have to select the job transportation details under My Reports module. On this job transportation details page, we have to enter the date range. Select the department. And also we have to select the branch name. Then we have to click the submit button. Here we can see the can send date. If you want to download this detail, just click the download option. This is how to view the can send date on job transportation details in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.